So here is a new 2018 Carrier Performance Series air conditioner that replaced a really old Amana Distinctions, I believe, air conditioner. It's a really nice unit. 2018 5-ton. Came back here in 2014, and there was a old Amana Distinctions back here. It's got an ECM motor. Gentech ECM motor, I believe. It has not been running. It's pretty cool. Glad I came back here to visit. I believe I got a video of the Amana. Can't remember, but if I did, I'll probably upload it. It's a straight quarter conditioner. Nice unit. There's a few more air conditioners around here that I'm revisiting. Get a better shot of it. Right. I believe the rest are on the roof, but anyways, thanks for watching.